everyone, I wanted to share this easy craft to recycle candles into decorative Christmas candles. I am new to this, so I made lots of mistakes, but I will explain them so you hopefully won't make those mistakes yourself. I had lots of jar candles with wax left in them at the bottom, and I had a load of pillar candles, so I removed as much wax as I could with a knife and ended up with a large pile of wax. I cleaned out the jars by filling them with hot water, so any leftover wax floated to the top and I could easily clean it out. Once the jars were clean and dry, I popped in a new wick. I bought a bundle of them from Amazon for about £3, so I'll add a link below. I secured the top of the wick to a skewer using a bit of blue tack, just to keep it in place. I then melted the wax in the microwave, which took quite a while to do, and once it was completely melted, I poured it into the jars. This was where I made my first mistake really, because when the candles dried there were sort of sinkholes in them. And so for the next pour I let the wax dry a little and then I made some small holes in the wax with a skewer, which seemed to help. I found the best thing to do was to keep a bit of excess wax back, melt it and then pour it over the top of the candle to make a nice smooth top. Finally, I trimmed the wick and then I cleaned around the rims of the jars with kitchen roll and a little bit of oil to clean off any wax drips. And then I had fun decorating the jars with ribbons, bows, bells and holly picks. I hope you enjoyed this craft and you're enjoying all your Christmas preparations. Sending love to you all, and I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye.